Welcome to our guide on avoiding common financial pitfalls. Today we're uncovering 10 money mistakes that might be holding you back from true financial freedom. Mistake number 1, not having a budget. Without a clear spending plan, it's easy to lose track of where your money goes, leading to overspending and debt. The fix is simple. Create a realistic budget. Track your income and expenses for a month to understand your habits, then allocate funds for savings, needs and wants. Mistake number 2, living paycheck to paycheck. This leaves no room for emergencies and creates a cycle of financial stress, making it hard to get ahead. To break this cycle, build an emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account. Mistake number 3, accumulating high interest debt. Credit card debt in particular can quickly spiral out of control, costing you a fortune in interest payments. Prioritize paying off high interest debt. Consider strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche method to tackle it efficiently and save money. Mistake number 4, not investing in your future. Relying solely on savings means missing out on the power of compound interest and long-term wealth growth. Start investing early, even with small amounts. Explore options like retirement accounts, index funds, or diversified portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance. Mistake number 5, neglecting your credit score. A poor credit score can impact your ability to get loans, rent an apartment, or even secure certain jobs. Regularly check your credit report for errors and make timely payments. A good credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities. Mistake number 6, not setting financial goals. Without clear objectives, it's hard to stay motivated and make informed decisions about your money. Define your short-term and long-term financial goals. Whether it's buying a home or retiring early, specific goals provide a roadmap for your finances. Mistake number 7, ignoring insurance. Skipping essential insurance coverage can leave you vulnerable to devastating financial losses from unexpected events. Assess your insurance needs for health, auto, home and life. Adequate coverage acts as a crucial safety net for your financial well-being. Mistake number 8, making emotional financial decisions. Panic selling or impulse buying can lead to poor outcomes and hinder your financial progress. Practice financial discipline and research before making big decisions. Avoid acting on fear or greed and stick to your long-term plan. Mistake number 9, not negotiating. Whether it's a salary, a bill or a purchase, failing to negotiate means leaving money on the table. Always ask for a better deal. Many expenses, from cable bills to interest rates, are negotiable if you simply take the initiative. Mistake number 10, failing to educate yourself. Financial literacy is key to making smart money choices and avoiding costly errors. Continuously learn about personal finance through books, reputable websites, or financial advisors. Knowledge empowers you to take control. By addressing these, start implementing these fixes today and watch your financial situation transform. Your future self will thank you.